Son of a bitch. There's got to be an easier way. I really want to get a good weld on this. Now the problem is the square hollow section's galvanised and so is the lifting pin. It's a shit to weld. I want to make sure I've got enough weld on it. That's going to be the weakest link and I don't want that to break. Close enough for government work. Now I'm going to put some little notches on the outer side diameter here of the shaft. And as you can see, I'm doing this shaft in 2 halves. It's not a critical part, so I really don't care if the other diameter is not spot on. But by doing these little notches, I should be able to blend it in over here and you won't see it. Not only that, the notches will work as a scale, so when I put this in and out of the chuck to know where I need to put it, okay? Will act like a rule. So as you can see, I've got the 3-jaw chuck in now, and I've put the part in backwards and started working on the opposite end. What I'm going to do now, I've taken some really heavy cuts to get that metal off. This is really shit, crappy aluminium. It doesn't machine nice. It's that really buttery shit, and if you don't feed it with coolant, it hates it. It's no problem when I usually CNC machine this stuff because I'm flood cooling it, but on the lathe like this without flood coolant, because I haven't got it set up at the moment, it can be a bit of a nightmare. So I'm going to auto feed them reverse now, okay, and try and match that other side. And you can see that cosmetic pattern I've put on there now, and that hides that blemish between the 2 ODs. Like I said, this isn't a critical part, okay? So it's not for grip or anything like that. It's purely just for aesthetic appearance and help blend in those 2 different ODs. Right, I've just got a tack on that inside, and I'll show you here. You can see the little tack I've put here. I'll now do a full weld on the outside here. I don't think that's coming off anytime soon. Bearing still rotates. I put a tiny little bit of preload on it. Well, it always happens. Always on the last weld, you've got to blow a vagina-sized hole through your metal. Son of a bitch. The Sky Crane and lifting jib, patent pending, is being certified by our factory engineers to safely lift 2 ferries. Is that fun? Every purchase of the dodgy Skyhook and lifting jib attachment, you can rest assured that your proceeds are going to help starving chihuahuas all over the world. What do you want? Hey? Stop staring at me, get the broom and start bloody sweeping. Go on, get the broom. Hey, who said Pop's house is boring?
Mom.